I was supposed to wake up at 4 in the morning. It is now 5:30. I'm headed to the flower market this morning. I have some selections of things that I want to see. One black coffee. Thing, whatever. Good morning. Is this Hrach? I shop like a crazy guy. Probably one of my favorite colors because it's a very rich and royal color. I'm gonna pick up peonies right now. Thank you. How much do you love me?
I just don't have enough people.
Hey, there's Mama Rosie. There's my mom. Hi, good morning.
She doesn't know.
Stay tuned and watch the new episodes. Hey everyone, I just want to let you know I'm still at the flower market and I'm shooting new tutorials, YouTube channel. So watch out for them. They're going to be really exciting. I got a lot of work to do, so let's go, let's go. Let's go. We're going this way. So this is where I have breakfast when I have breakfast in the morning, and it's popcorn. Doesn't have any calories, so. Okay. People often ask me how I choose flowers. I know when you walk into a space like this at the flower market and there's lots of different varieties of flowers, that how do you pick? First, I'm looking for color, then I'm looking for texture, then I'm looking for the quality of the variety, the grade of it, because I want something to last longer. I want my clients and arrangements to have the most longevity. There are certain flowers that don't last, or the chemistry between the two flowers are not perfect, so one dies before the other. Can I get 10 bunches of this? Thank you. She's gonna be camera shy, she's not gonna say. Okay, so don't be on the camera, but just say what you were saying to me. What were you saying to me?
I do follow you.
She follows me on Instagram.
I love your word, and my daughter loves you.
Does she think I'm a character on camera?
Yes, and she's trying to impersonate you too.
Does she really? She impersonate? Well, you should then.
You keep saying like so.
Like so, which I hate saying. Which I hate saying that.
They keep trying to impersonate you, and she loves your work.
So you're gonna have to get her to meet me one day, right? Right? You should do that whole like I'm a celebrity, which I'm not. But you should definitely bring her by, and we'll make. Will she come and do a little YouTube video with me?
She's so little though.
It's okay. That's the fun part.
Let's do that.
Let's do that. So send me a message and say Eddie wants you to be on camera with him.
Okay.
All right. Have a good one. Thank you. Bye. The scary thing about what I do is I know a lot of people follow me, but I don't know if I follow them. So that's kind of like, it feels weird. Like I don't follow them, but they follow me. It's like that when I go to a restaurant, you know, I'm eating, sitting down, being myself, and then I'll get like a direct message and say, hey, by the way, it was nice seeing you. I'm like, why don't you come and say hi? It's not like you have to direct message me. Anyways, I guess that's a celebrity of a famous person. I don't know if the wreath is bigger than you or you're bigger than the wreath.
Some of them.
Like if you stand right next to it, look, it'll be number 10. 1, 0.
Yeah.
Wow. Good morning.
What you got going on over here?
I'm shooting my YouTube video.
I love YouTube. I watch it all the time.
Do you?
And
Do you watch
I'm a subscriber
of my channel?
Yes.
So what do you like most about the YouTube channels?
I like the YouTube as I just like the freedom of going in and watching videos and knowing that they can be like 15 minutes.
What about my videos?
Your videos are good. I just wish you posted more.
Okay, so that's why, because a lot of people complained. They said, we love it.
Yeah.
You're not doing enough of it.
Yes.
But remember, it takes a lot of time and energy to do it. And I'm not a celebrity. I'm actually a working guy, right? That actually does this every day in and out. And the reason I really do the YouTube videos is to really inspire other people, right? That's the biggest reason. So I'm doing new ones, but the new ones are going to be a little bit funner. So they're going to be a little bit more free form. They're not going to be in the studio all the time, me being so rigid and like, hi, I'm editing. So it's going to be fun. So you'll like that. It's gonna show the process of like how I think.
Yes, that's great.
Yeah, and my personality is going to come out a little bit more.
This is why the people I subscribe to have millions of subscribers.
Well, get me there, Lisa.
They keep posting.
I know.
You have to like and you have to share.
Comment and you have
to comment, and I do that.
I want to do live. That's one thing I want to do, and the other thing I want to do is I want to do like a longer version of it and do like more intense stuff, like do things that people are asking, like how to do the mechanics of certain things, of centerpieces, because a lot of people don't know how much work that goes into like the back end of it.
Yeah, absolutely. It's a lot of work. It's
a lot of
hard work.
It's a lot of labor. Like I was saying on camera, I'm like, who wakes up at 4 in the morning to get in the car, to go get, coffee, and then come out to the flower market? But then when you come here, like you forget all that pain you had to go through early in the morning to come here because there's so much beauty.
But then as they're loading their vehicles, and now they have to actually go to the shop and run a business. That's a lot of work.
And they have to process the flowers, and then they have to prep the containers, and then some flowers break, and then...
Supervise employees.
I bless all those people who do it every day.
I appreciate you guys much more. So.
That's beautiful. Let's go look at that. Mackenzie and Child, the black and white checkered. So I think this would look really appropriate, because people normally don't see blackened flowers. And I think this is such a great kale. This is not edible, is it? Or really, it's grown not to eat?
Technically,
it can.
In general, yes, but from here, no, I wouldn't recommend it.
So here, guys, this is black kale, which is fantastic, and it's not dyed. It's a really deep purple. If you can look at the stems, look at that. Look at that vine, that purpley vine, and it gets intense. Lisa, do you know why there's varieties like that and varieties like this? Or is this like the pigments on it because of the sun? I'm into two bunches. And this is another variety that has like a blushy tone and a cream outer part, and then you have the green at the end. So it's almost like 3 layers, right? You've got the green, and then you've got the creamy, yellowy cream, and then you've got the pink blush in it. It's a great variety. It looks like a rose. So this is another variety of flowers, like anemones I love. This is now so posh, people are using it. It has a little bit blush tone, but it has black centers. And there's not a lot of flowers that have a black center to it because it's always usually the same coloration inside. There's a variety that's green inside, but I happen to love this. And look at these ranunculus. They look like little cabbage roses. Let me see. This is thistle. It's usually a blue variety, and this is painted. I think it's great for the holidays. I think I'm going to use this in one of the arrangements that I'm going to do. This is mistletoe. And it's actually really nice because it's fresh. And the story with mistletoe is you're supposed to stand underneath it and kiss each other. So maybe I should walk this around with me all day long and get kisses for free. My mother took Lisa away. I wouldn't say I don't want a TV show, but you just don't want to let me go, do you, Lisa? You're hilarious. I usually have everybody take these for me, but I actually want to pretend that I'm working on camera today. Hello. Da, 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 da. I'm gonna create magic with these flowers. Can't wait. Bye guys, have a good day. See, I'm better on camera when I'm interacting with people instead of just straight shooting on the camera because I get completely nervous and that thing is scary. So we are now out of the flower market. and now you can see the sun is risen, and we're actually doing really good time. We got here at about like what, 5:30, so we did 3 hours of shopping. We're back in Glendale, and I think before I go to my friend's store, because it's not open yet, I think we're gonna have breakfast so I can get my tummy full. But I'm gonna shut up right now because my favorite song is on the radio and I wanna hear it. We have now arrived